Hello everyone, this is Nanny Moo Moo and Papa Dunk, and we are on a walk today in Thursley, and we're following, for this part of the walk, the Heath Trail. We're not quite sure where the trail is going to take us to, so why don't you come along with us and see where it leads. It's a really glorious Sunday morning, early in February. We parked in the Thursley recreation ground. I'll let you into a secret. We were trying to find Thursley Nature Reserve. We couldn't find it according to the sat-nav coordinates. So we just pulled in to the car park, thought this looks nice, let's go. Have an explore. A bit of wild walking, but Papa Dunk has in his pocket earth, which is fabulous because it shows you all the little trails wherever they may be or wherever they may take you. And look, what have we discovered here? Stretch of water. Probably can hear in the background some families, some children enjoying the outside. So we're going to move a little bit further up and see where this trail takes us. We'll be back in a minute. So here is Papa Dunk, just consulting Pocket Earth to look where we might be our tracks might be taking us off. Of course, in areas like this, there are so many tracks that one can take. And it looks like we know. Oh no, Papa Dunk, not into the water. Let's see where our next stopping point is. We're just walking by the side of this lake at the moment. Really interesting landscape here because you have wooded areas, and then you also have areas of fields, etc. And you may be able to hear in the background some families, walkers. We've seen some horses, dog walkers, and just generally families walking, enjoying this sunshine. This is what I meant. So having come through some wooded areas, there some flat areas, and there are some wooden platforms which I'm guessing you can walk on. I'm going to just go over and have a look at what this wooden platform is, what it says. Off the beaten track, Papa Dunk is probably going, where is Nanny Moo Moo going? Clearly there's been some burn back here. Really quite important. In Australia there is a lot of burn back which happens because of bushfires, and I think unfortunately in Britain there's going to have to be burn back as well. Just sometimes helps stop any fires spreading as quickly as they might do. Just coming up to some signs here, so we'll have a look at those.
I think you're going to have a nice surprise.
Oh, what was that, Papa Dunk?
I think you're going to be a bit surprised.
I'm going to be a bit surprised. Wow. Let's go and see this surprise. Oh my goodness. Here we are. We are actually at Thursley National Nature Reserve. How wonderful. This is what I was heading for. But you know what I said before? A walk is a walk, even if it's not where you intended to get to. You are out and about. So this is fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. So I'm going to end this video here and say I'm going to just now really enjoy my walk at Thursley Nature Reserve on this glorious Sunday morning in February, and I'm going to just leave you here with a Here Be Dragons thought of the day. Bye for now.